Dragon fruit is larger than a baseball, about the same weight of a baseball there. You know they're ripe when they kind of reach this maximum waxy size right here. They come in 3 different colors. I believe this is going to be red on the inside. This is how I like to serve dragon fruit to make it really easy. It's going to be served like a melon. So I'll go through, I'll find the midpoint, the center, right? Not the equator, but the other way. I'm going to cut it. So look at that. Once you cut it in half, you're going to have a staining issue with these red magenta ones. Because the fruit can stain, this is how I like to serve it. Take your halves, then cut it into thirds or quarters. I'm doing thirds because I want nice big wide slices for my guests. And it's like a melon. There's this internal part that is nice and soft, and the external very waxy skin. So what I do is I make it super simple for my guests to eat. I just kind of, so they can stick forks in there and eat one. So there's one. You can also melon ball this, but there's a white variety that doesn't stain. Not a lot of flavor, guys. I'm gonna tell you that the impact of this fruit is visual, right? More than it is flavor. What does it taste like? Again, if I had a little fork or a toothpick, there's my little piece right there. This is a very sweet one. And when I say sweet dragon fruit, it's maybe like a 6 or 7 compared to the sweetest fruit you've ever eaten. Pulpy, just like a very ripe kiwi. So it's gonna feel like a kiwi. It's gonna crunch like a kiwi, like kiwi seeds have that little crunch. Not super sweet, but again, very beautiful. So good for visual impact, really eats like a kiwi. Careful, magentas can stain. There it is, friends, dragon fruit.